Hi there! Today we're going to talk about getting started with Uptime Monitor from GlockApps. With Uptime Monitor, you can set up different types of real-time monitors for email authentication records, such as DKIM, DMARC, and SPF. For websites and mail servers, TCP, TLS, and HTTP, and monitors for the IP addresses. To create a monitor, click Create and fill in the form. First, give a name to the monitor. Optionally, enter a tag to quickly search for the monitor in the main dashboard. Make sure the active option is turned on. Select the monitor type, for example, SPF. Select the monitoring interval. Select the region where the checks will be made from to available regions. US East and Europe are available. It's recommended to select the region that is closest to your location. Enter a domain name. If you want to receive alerts when our system detects problems with the SPF record for your domain, turn the Enable Alerts options to On and select the alert channel. The default alert channel is the email address you use to log into your account. Click Add Monitor. To add a new monitor, click Create and fill the form. Give a name to the monitor. Select the monitor type, for example, DKIM. Select the monitor interval and the region, and then enter the domain name. When you set up a DKIM monitor, you have to enter the DKIM selector. You can find the selector in the DNS of the domain. In your domain host's DNS settings, look at the host name field in DNS and notice the word before domain key. Copy that word, go back to GlockApps, and paste it on the DKIM selector field. Now enable alerts. Select the alert channel and click Add Monitor. If you plan to add multiple monitors, you can turn the Open a New Form after saving option to On. Our tool will save the monitor settings and will keep this form active, where you can enter the settings for a new monitor. Now let's look at setting up an Uptime Monitor for an IP address. To set up a monitor for an IP address, select the monitor type as IP. Select the monitoring interval and paste your IP address. If you have a list of IP addresses and you want to monitor all of them, you can click here and paste the list of IP addresses. Our tool will set up separate monitors for each one of the IPs. So you will save time by not having to create multiple monitors manually. Enable Alert, select the alert channel, and click on Add Monitor. After you set up the monitor, it starts working almost immediately, and you can see the main statistics in the main dashboard in Uptime Monitor. To see a detailed report, click on the monitor name and see the statistics inside the monitor. If you are checking an email authentication record, you will see the record in the monitor and you will see the status of the record after the last check. The green line and the 100% means that the record exists and it is valid. After the checks are made, you will see the history and all the checks and events in the monitor statistics below. When it comes to IP monitors, you will see the status of the IP address. If the IP address is blacklisted, you will have the links to the blacklist website where your IP was found. Also, you will see the Request Delisting buttons. You can click the Request Delisting buttons to go to the blacklist website and follow through the delisting process to get your IP address unblocked. If you go to the main dashboard in Uptime Monitor, you will see the main statistics about all the monitors that you have set up. You will see active and inactive monitors. And you will see how many monitors have the up, degraded, and down status. You can click on any active link to see the relevant information about your Uptime monitor. And that's all I have for today. Thank you for using GlockApps Uptime Monitor. For more information, visit glockapps.com.